Memory is the way in which the mind stores and retrieves information. There are 3 types of memory: sensory memory, which lasts only about a second, short-term memory, which lasts for several seconds to a minute without rehearsal, and long-term memory, which is fairly permanent. Long-term memory, while its capacity is large, can be fallible. Many people believe that memories are like recordings and that they are able to remember past events accurately, but this is not the case. False memories are an apparent recollection of an event that did not actually occur. In extreme cases of false memory syndrome, a false memory is so deeply ingrained that the individual's entire personality and lifestyle are affected. Memory implantation is a technique used in cognitive psychology to investigate memory. Researchers make an individual believe that they remember an event that never really happened. Memories can be implanted through suggestion, which is an ethical issue in therapy, as therapists can bring up false memories of childhood abuse. In a study, scientists gave mice a shock. Then they genetically altered certain brain cells, inserting light-sensitive proteins so the cells were activated by a blue light. When the mouse was put in the same place where it was shocked, the mouse did not show fear, but in the presence of a blue light, the mouse froze up because they falsely remembered a blue light at the time of the original shock. There is another, simpler way of creating false memories. This is through the misinformation effect. This is the process of incorporating misleading information into a memory of an event. This can be done through suggestion by using carefully selected vocabulary to alter the memory of the subject. In a study, Elizabeth Loftus and John Palmer showed a film of a car accident to 2 groups of people and then asked the people from each group how fast the cars were going when they either smashed or hit each other. The group that heard the word smashed was twice as likely to report faster speed and remembered broken glass shown in the film. Memories are easier to recall when they are recent, so remembering what you had for lunch is easier than remembering your 5th birthday party. Researchers can plant false memories in a person's mind by asking them to imagine a certain situation, such as a past birthday party. After thinking about it enough and adding new information, they later on believe their false memory is true. Researchers manipulated family photos and cropped them into a photo of an air balloon ride. The volunteers didn't believe that this air balloon ride actually occurred, but after being shown the manipulated photo, most people had a tendency to believe that these false memories were true memories. After a few days of imagining this childhood experience, they were even more confident that the memory was real. The knowledge we have about false memories suggests that we should not entirely believe eyewitnesses. False memory has been an issue in many legal cases, as victims often have false memories. However, studies in false memories now help us to recreate memories by using hypnosis and tackle many psychological issues. Different areas of the brain are active for true memories and false memories. Scientists take scans of patients' brains as they discuss memories. To the patient, recalling true and false memories seems the same because they believe both occurred, but when hooked up to a PET scan, true memory shows blood flow to both the hippocampus and sensory processing centers of the brain, while false memories only show blood flow to the hippocampus.